Okay, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to blend because we are going to be blending colors today. So that means we're going to actually be mixing them on our paper. And to do a correct blend, if I'm going to blend colors, so let's say like this week we're doing water, and you know how we're starting out with our lightest color. So I'm going to put a little bit of this white down on my paper. Now if I'm going to blend in this lighter turquoise, this is important. When I dip my brush, and again, it does not take a whole lot of paint. When I dip my brush into the turquoise, I'm not going to immediately go into that white. If you do that, that's going to be way too dark. What you want to do is you want to go above the color that you put down first. You want to wait till your brush is not so wet. You want to wait till it almost gets a little dry. Then you can pull it down into your lighter color. Again, let me show you with doing it with dark blue. I'm going to go into dark blue. I'm not going to go right into this color with my soaking wet paintbrush. I'm going to go above it, get my brush a little dry. Then, as my paintbrush dries, then I can pull that dark blue into the lighter blue. And that's going to keep you from getting those really harsh lines. We don't want that when we're blending. We want it to look like it's all cohesive, it's all one piece. So let me show you real quick if you don't do it correctly. So if I've got some lighter color here, and if I go straight into that lighter color with this brush, it's just not going to work. So let me try the darker blue, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to go straight into that color with the dark blue, and it just doesn't blend as nice. So you want to make sure if you're blending and you're going from a lighter value to a darker value, you really want to make sure that your wet brush with the new darker color on it, you want to do some of your white paper first, dry it off a little, then move down into your lighter colors. You kind of want a dry brush, a drier brush whenever you're going down into your lighter colors. And remember, once you get your darkest value on your paintbrush, don't ever go back over your lighter color or you're going to lose it. Because then at that point, I can never get my light color back. Okay, because we're doing a dry brush and we're not cleaning our brush, so we have to make sure we go from lightest to darkest. Okay, so I just wanted to do that real quick because I don't know if I explained that very well on my my videos with the ocean water. Okay, so have fun. If you have questions, just ask me. Have fun.